Hi guys, today in this video I'm just gonna show you how I upgraded the door a little bit, how I painted it, how I took it out, put it back again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a look. Okay guys, this is the door. I mounted pretty much. It was I just drilled because it has rivets, and yeah, pretty much I just unmounted because my intention is to replace the lock, and also it was not closing properly. So I don't know, a small job became a big job. Now I don't have the keys for this as I'm replacing it. And I don't have the key for the screen door. Hopefully it's easy. I think the difficult part is gonna be to be mounted again. I don't know how to, because it has to go a little bit back so it can close properly. Yeah, see how we go. I will keep you updated with the progress. Okay guys, just keep on doing the door. As I said, as I am mounted, it has this lip here. I cut it out and I'm gonna put these new ones. See how I go. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Like this, something like that. Because yeah, that lip was with a different ones. Just gonna put some rivets. Also, I took the old key because it was lost. I'm gonna put this one. I just had it somewhere in my garage. It just doesn't fit there. It's gonna make the hole bigger. So and this one was the old one, it just didn't have a key. So I'm gonna replace it for one that I found in Temu or something. It's like a padlock. Look like the same measurements. I just wait until it arrives and see. It look like it's gonna fit here. Yeah. So the reason I changed the hinges was because the door wasn't locking up properly, wasn't closing properly. So yeah, so my plan with the door is just like paint it, tidy it up a little bit. Yeah, pretty much just the net. I'm gonna also put it properly. I got some rubber edges to put it back. See how we go. Yeah, at the moment it's on mount. Yeah, over there. So the hinges go here. Hopefully it's gonna work fine. I don't know how am I doing this, but anyway, yeah, just gonna try my best. Okay guys, just bought the other one, the other vent. The vent was like plastic, it was really old. Yeah, pretty much I replaced it with this. It was a white one, but I just painted with this color over here. Yeah, so that's pretty much, that's my plan. I will paint it white. This is the inside, okay, of the door. This is the other side. I was thinking to put some checker plate here, but no, I'm just gonna paint it, so otherwise it gets, I don't know, it gets too heavy. This one I painted black again, so pretty much, yeah, it changed. I'm alright, happy with this. So next I just bought some of this what is it called, this for rubber for the door, just to replace it. So here it is. So as you can see, it's all mess. So I'm just gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna paint that, just the whole frame black, and then yeah, I put the new one in and see how we do that. Okay, so that's what we can do now, and I'll let you know how it goes. Good morning, my people. Yeah, this is what I done with the door. Just painting it black. I sanded. So the problem with this door was that I couldn't really find a lock for it, because the space is too. I bought one from Bunnings. Yeah, look like they bought it and it's too expensive, so the holes that I did before, I covered it again with some aluminum plate in there, same as here. So pretty much I was messing it up. I was just making holes everywhere just for that lock. So I'm just thinking just to put one of those external locks or something. But yeah, anyway, so that's the problem. So yeah, it's looking alright, I think. So I have to put a new hinges there. Yeah, so I show you on the other side. so this is how it's looking now. That's the other side. Yeah, I fixed it like as much as I could. It wasn't closing properly, so yeah, I had to sand it a little bit, like this lip here. Anyway, I'll show you when I put it on, but yeah, at the moment this is what I'm doing now, just making sure the door closes properly and it's all before I put it on. So I thought, yeah, we might as well paint it. Yeah, because otherwise it's gonna be more difficult when I put the door, when I install the door. So I just thought do it outside, and I might put a checker plate here or whatever on the external, see how we go. Okay, good. I just put it back. Also, I just wanted to show you, I took out the door. I put this one because the door didn't close properly. So now, still I don't know if it's the door for this Caravan, but still there. I put this one here. I put a little slide for the screen door here. I have to put a net here later on. I paint the door. So yeah, you see, doesn't close. I need 2 hands to close it, but that's as best as I could do. Yeah. So yeah, I bought a new air. What is it called? Fan, air vent in there. Inside was broken. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just gonna show you, this is how it pretty much ended up. Like, it was different than before. I'm gonna paint this after, but yeah, pretty much I painted it. I put this one here. I'm gonna put a normal lock in there because yeah, I couldn't find a good lock in there. This is how it looks inside. Yeah, hope you guys like it. I see you next video. All right, see ya.